Alright dear friends, in this video I'm going to explain you what is the second law of thermodynamics. So it's a very simple thing. The second law of thermodynamics states that heat flows naturally from hotter object to colder object, and the disorder or the entropy of the universe always increases, and hence therefore there is no such engine that can perform 100% efficiently work. 100% efficiently work done is not possible by any engine because energy is lost as heat energy. Alright, so you know that when you drive a bike, alright, so the engine gets heated up and there is the loss of heat. Let me explain you in more details. Let me sit first over here and then I'm going to explain you. So the important thing that is no engine can do 100% efficiently work because there is a loss of heat. This point you must include in the second law of thermodynamics, and this is not convenient or this is not the complete thing. There are few important points that if somebody wants what to reverse the process of this one, like if we know that heat transfers from hotter object to colder, but if I want the reverse of this, work must be done. And for example over here, like the entropy or the disorder is always increasing. If I want to keep this disorder in order, so work must be done. There are three important points in the second law of thermodynamics. That is, the first one, the entropy. The entropy always increases, hence work must be done to keep the disorder as in order, and heat always flow from hotter to colder object. To reverse this process, we have to do work done, and the most important point is no heat engine is 100% efficient. Some energy is lost in the form of heat. So that's what the second law of thermodynamics states.